Welcome to the new video on Xerox tutorials. Let's learn how to reduce legal size onto A4 paper sheet. If you think this video helps you, then please subscribe and share. Let's start the tutorial. This tutorial is recorded on Xerox 5855. So first of all, go to Copy section. Then choose A4 paper and then go to Layout Adjustment. From here, choose Original Size tab. From this screen, choose Preset Scan Area. From Preset Size List, choose 8.5 by 13. This 8.5 by 13 is the scanning area of scanning glass. So scanner will scan exactly 8.5 by 13 inches as legal paper size. Hit OK on this screen. No need to change anything on Output Settings section. Return to Copy tab. Now, set Reduce Value to 90% instead of 100%. This will zoom out the scanned area. Now, go to Job Assembly tab and hit Save Current Settings. You can choose any slot and give any name. Then hit OK to save the setting. Let's copy to confirm that our settings are correct. Place paper on upper left corner of the scanning glass. Now go to Job Assembly. Choose Retrieve Saved Setting, and choose your saved name. Hit Start to start your copy. Here you can see our legal size copy is reduced to A4 paper. If this video helped you, then please subscribe and share our video. Thanks.